Stang artayo tambos nam arja arpulai un kutno but ban one part daw arja arpasa ubrius nam bakan don ke election MP siya ka Lok Sabha ya ka bakatarik an haban up na ka Election Commission of India ban penbena. Hapo ka Jala Meghalaya ka don artli ki constituency ka Shillong constituency bat Katura constituency ka jingikran bat ka jingban kre ahlor ka di ka election kalas dang na kiseng sanhima. Ya ka Shillong constituency menta ka dan ha ka jingmi khmat na ka seng Congress bat ha Katura constituency na ka seng NPP. Halor ka di ka election ka ban Longhouse number 1 ha ka khatway tari unok pra araja arpulai ha ka jingyo banyakran bat unong mi khmat ka Indian National Congress ubaderu chief whip jongkaliang persya usaleng isangma ulaong. Baka siyang hupat ba banjit yung nong mi khmat na ka banta ka election MP Lok Sabha. Nalor ka tao loong, bagi don bon ki bakwa ban mi syakmat ban yakun ya ka election MP Henry Kim Note ban mi syakmat na marketing biyok ki set hau pat ba na ka daw baka pisa ka ka daw ka bah khmat du la ka long ha India ni ha ka Jala Meghalaya. Shu loong, day hang ni bakala long ka badon kam ban tip ya ki jing shisha ba day ki politician ki balik politics Henry day na upat ba.
You see, everybody will be interested actually. If your name comes out, anybody's name comes out, especially for the National Party. But the fact is that we have to look at the ground reality. Okay? It doesn't mean that if any Tom, Dick and Harry's name comes out, doesn't mean that they'll just jump into the conclusion. So we have to look at the reality. If the public demands, then, it depends on whatever the public says. Right now, we all know that it's the money which plays the major role, especially in Meghalaya. Not only in Meghalaya, even other parts of India. So if the people realizes, then there are lots of thousands and hundreds of better people who wants to come out for the Lok Sabha, not only from the Congress party. You got it? If the people are really thinking about the changes, not only from the Congress, they are 100 times better than us, educated than us, more qualified than us. They would love to come out. But they fear that people might cheat on them, then they might, sell themselves for the better buyer. That's why our country is not changing. Our Meghalaya is not changing. Okay? It's not the politicians who play the politics. It's the people who play the politics. That's why we have to understand the truth. It's a bitter, to tell the truth. That's what I'm saying. Mindset of the people. I'm not saying 100 of them, 100% of them. 20, 30, 40. But it makes it difficult for those good people to come out. They are good leaders. Just imagine today itself you have heard that the church leaders are segregating themselves from the politics and then what do you call this one? The church, whereas they should not have been. There should have been the a kind of what do you call this one? Blending. That's why the good people doesn't want to come out, because there's lots of politics, not amongst the politicians but amongst the public itself.